piece of paper, and it has to be blank, no lines. The next thing you'll need will be either pencils or pens, as we have in this case. And then you'll also need some glue sticks, and not the liquid glue. The other things you'll need are stickers, like we'll have safari animals, and you'll need stickers, and we'll get more into about the details on these later. And you'll need some star stickers as well to go with your safari ones. You will need different color sand, and we'll get into the details, like I said, with these later in a second. Some facts you'll need to know about the sand and the animals and the entire experiment / activity is that the stickers, each individual in the group has to have a matching pair. So for instance, let's say that one kid has a frog and a tiger. That'll mean that another kid has to have a tiger and another kid has to have a frog. And let's say the other kid that has the frog has a monkey as well. They'll also have a matching partner with a monkey. That's how that works. And then also for the sand, you will have to go in a clockwise order. And so if a person starts at the bottom with the pink sand, and it'll become more understandable after we conduct the experiment, but you'll need then you'll go pink sand, then blue sand, then yellow, then green, and then you'd go over again and start over with pink. Let's say you wanted to start at blue, then you just keep going like that. The first thing you'll need to do is draw 4 lines across your paper.
And they can be squiggly lines, and they can be closer and farther apart.
All right. Then the next thing you'll do is you'll draw 2 lines that are going from top to bottom. And it can be squiggly once again, and they can be far apart and close, it does not matter. The next part is to add your animals, and you'll be putting on 5 animals. The next part is that each person gets a star, and they get to put it next to any animal that they want to. Something to notice is that there's 5 layers of sand. Layer 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Notice what kinds of animals you have. And the lower it is, that means the older it is. So you have the zebra down here, and you have the lion and the elephant up here. And you just want to notice that throughout all of.
So you want to have the kids make a list of the animals that they have.
Elephant.
Do they have different colored elephants?
Yes, they have gray and blue elephants.
Then you can ask the children which layers they think are the oldest. Would it be the layers on the bottom or the layers on the top?
Feel free to let the kids voice their opinions. Because if some kid thinks that it'll be on top, just ask them why, because that's a really good starter question to a very amazing and intricate conversation.
This is an interesting layer because it has to cut through something that already exists. So this is called a cross-cutting relationship. So it is the newest of all of these because you can't cut through something that's not there. So the kids can number each of the layers, and then they make a list of their animals. So what is the oldest layer that the lion is in?
I think that would be layer 5/4.
Okay, so we'll say 5. So we can say the lion starts its oldest point in layer 5. Where is the newest point?
Layer 1.
Layer 1.
Well,
so then the zebra. What's the oldest layer that the zebra's in?
I believe that that layer would be layer 4.
I agree.
And then I think the earliest layer it is in is layer 3. Yep, layer 3.
So which of these has lived the longest? The lion, or had the longest duration? The lion or the zebra?
The lion.
Good, yeah, because it goes all the way through 4 layers. Okay. Awesome, and where do we have artifacts?
Well, in this diagram that one of the kids made, we have it in layer 2, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
And And then in this diagram, we have it in layer 4. Wait, no, we don't. Never mind. In this diagram, we have it in layer 3. And this diagram, we have it in layer 5.
Okay, what animal is this next to? The blue elephant?
Yes.
In layer 3?
Yes.
Awesome. And in this one, it's by the lion in layer 5. Alright, so now that we've shown you how to do the stratigraphy with the sand art, and we've shown you how to make the list of animals with their layers and time ranges and the associated artifacts, please refer to the volunteer guide for discussion points that explain why we've had the kids take each of these steps.